Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up lollipop drumsticks in the Pit Boss Vertical 7. Oh hell yeah, we're cooking at 350. Chicken. Check it out, bro. So you're gonna cut your drumsticks down so you get the leg bone sticking out. You rip all that out, get those tendons gone, cut those out, season it up with your favorite seasoning. I'm using Uncle Steve's original shake, oh hell yeah. And we're gonna bake that in the Pit Boss for about an hour and a half at 350. And then once we hit 165, 170, we're gonna pull them. Then we're gonna dip them in your favorite barbecue sauce. Oh hell yeah. Kick-ass cook, folks, and something I got in the mail. Thank you, Kent, Daddy Dutch. Oh hell yeah. Once I have my wall completed here, these are gonna go on the wall. Oh hell yeah, that's wicked cool. And I may on my koozie. Oh hell yeah, instantly new idea. Yep, my I'm gonna get another metal can koozie, but send me your stickers going on the beer can koozies. Daddy Dutch's gonna be the first on top of mine on this koozie. Oh hell yeah, that's wicked cool, man. So folks, never a fan of the drumsticks, really, in my opinion, nope. But lollipop drumsticks, oh hell yeah, everybody. Something new, something cool, and it was great. And this pit boss gave me a little trouble again. Got to figure it out. We got to cook. Successful cook. Yes, absolutely. A lot of stuff in there. But damn, we had a little issue in the beginning. So, yeah. Adapt, overcome, and make kick-ass food. Oh, hell yeah. I use Sweet Baby Ray's. Classic. Good stuff. And they look amazing. So, let's check these guys out. Lollipop drumsticks. Whoo! Awesome. Let's give them a taste test. Man, not a drumstick fan. Cutting those tendons out, breaking that little bone out of there. Oh, hell yeah. That's rocking. If you're ever going to have chicken drumsticks, that's the way to do it. Oh, hell yeah. So, folks, subscribe if it's your first time here. Comment down below, hit the thumbs up, and smash that dinner bell, because that's what time it is. Oh, hell yeah.